Welcome to your daily bright brainy dose. I'm Lerato. Today we learn how to get rid of blackheads naturally. Blackheads are little black skin projections that are commonly found on the face, particularly on the nose, and occasionally on the back. These black projections produce a clog that obstructs the skin's sebaceous glands. They are caused by an overabundance of sebum and oily material produced by the sebaceous gland, which gradually hardens when it comes into contact with dead skin and germs. When sebum is exposed to oxygen in the air, it oxidizes and becomes black. When they are below the pore opening, they appear as white or yellow lumps that do not oxidize and are referred to as whiteheads. The following are the most common causes of blackheads: stress, changes in hormones, inheritance, cosmetics for dirty skin, smoking, alcohol, caffeine, among others. Follow these simple, natural methods for cleaning pores and removing blackheads at home using readily accessible materials. Tomato wash. Tomatoes are an excellent home treatment for blackhead removal. This fruit contains antibacterial qualities that help to dry up blackheads. Apply a little peeled and crushed tomato on the blackheads before going to bed. Allow it to sit overnight. Then wash your face with warm water in the morning. Lemon scrub. Another natural item that works well for treating blackheads is lemon. In a dish, combine a few drops of lemon juice, salt, and whisk thoroughly. After washing your face with warm water, apply the mixture on the blackheads. After 20 minutes, rinse your face with warm water. Toothpaste rub. Apply a small coating of toothpaste to the blackheads. Wait 25 minutes, and then gently wash your face with warm water. To get rid of blackheads, repeat this therapy for 2 weeks. Honey massage. Honey contains antibacterial characteristics that help with both greasy skin and blackheads. After 15 minutes, apply honey to the afflicted region and rinse with warm water. Baking soda mask. Combine baking soda and water to produce a paste. Apply carefully to the afflicted area. Let it dry for a few minutes, and then rinse with warm water to eliminate the oil and grime that produce blackheads. Oats pack. A mixture of oatmeal and yogurt is beneficial to the skin and aids in the removal of blackheads. Mix 2 teaspoons of oats with 3 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil until it forms a paste. Apply the mixture to your face. Wait 10 to 15 minutes, and then rinse with cold water. Raw eggs are a good home treatment for removing blackheads. Mix 1 to 2 egg whites with 1 tablespoon honey. Apply this combination to the blackheads, let for 30 minutes, and then rinse with warm water. Cinnamon pack. Combine equal parts cinnamon powder and lime juice to make a thick paste. Apply the paste to the afflicted areas overnight, then rinse with warm water in the morning. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Subscribe to the channel for more recipes and advice.